Alright, here is the helpful hint video where I'm going to show you actually how to put all these pieces together. It's not so bad. The wing can be a little difficult though. So, since we are assembling these pieces, we need to use an assembly, so a standard IDW, oops, sorry, IAM. Okay. Now the first thing you want to place is your rocket body. So make sure that you find your rocket body. Alright, there's my rocket body, and again I can right click and hit OK. Then I just have one. Next thing I need to place is my cone. I'm just going to stick that anywhere, right click and hit OK. And then last, I need wings. So I'm going to find the wing here. Okay, looks like I might need to do a search. Okay, and now I need 3 of these because that's how many I'm going to have on my rocket. So I'm just going to stick 3 of them out there, right click and hit OK. So all of my pieces of my rocket are right here. Let's put the cone on first. That's the easiest. We're going to use a constraints tool called insert, and you get, once you hit insert, you get the arrow so it's pointing up from the rocket and then down from the cone. Okay, and I hit OK. And if I look at it, it's sitting there. Now you might be able to tell that it does spin a little bit in our model, but it won't move anywhere. So it's stuck. So that is taken care of and it fits right on top. The next thing I'm going to put on are my wings. I'm going to need to use some constraints again. Now this time we're going to use a tool called tangent as well as that flush tool. So let's do flush first. Remember, it's under mate, and then you go over here to flush. And I'm going to flip this upside down so I can see the bottom. And I'm going to need to flush, oops, the bottom of my rocket with the bottom of my wing. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and then I'm going to do the same thing with all the wings so that I have every one of them on the same place. Alright, so there are my wings. The next thing I'm going to use is this tangent tool. Now this is where it gets difficult. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And I'm actually going to flip this around. Hold on. It's giving me a little trouble flipping here. Okay, it doesn't want to do anything for me. So let's just do this the way we had it. Okay, so once you have your wings on here, the next thing you want to do is tangent. I'm going to click on the outside of this, the body of the rocket, and then right here on one of my wings. Now it just kind of snaps into place, but the other side also needs to be tangent. So I'm going to apply, and I'm going to hit tangent again, and I'm going to rotate this around if it will let me. I think my program on my computer is running slow. Let's see if it'll let me do it this way. Okay, there we go. Tangent, tangent. Apply, and the only thing that should happen now is my wing will rotate around, which is okay. And then you do this exact same thing for the other 2 wings, and then you have a beautiful rocket.